Hello Java developers, in this video we are discussing our next question problem of basic math programs. This is our fourth one, simple interest program. To find out simple interest using formula of simple interest, and we will create a program using Java. Okay, so let's find out what is simple interest formula. Simple interest is equal to principal amount plus rate of interest and plus time, divide all divided by 100. So we will find out simple interest. So let's do this. Now we are in VS Code, and let's create a file inside this folder. Simple 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 interest dot java. Go inside this file, public class simple simple interest interest. Go inside this man method, public static void man, create a scanner class object, scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in semicolon. After that, what we have to create, we should have to take two values as input, one three values. First, principal amount, so p system dot out dot println, enter principal amount, enter principal amount. After that, it will be a double type, p equal to sc dot next double semicolon, then system dot out dot println, enter interest rate of interest, remove these things, and double rate, yeah, r equal to sc dot next double semicolon. After that, take one more value as input. What is it? It is our time will also be a double type, t equal to sc dot next double semicolon, and remove this ln also from here. And now write our program. Double simple interest equal to what? Principal amount plus rate of interest plus time. These all divided by 100. Then use semicolon. And after that, print these all things. So this simple interest is use plus simple interest si. Okay. Now try to run this. Run this program. Enter principal amount. Enter principal amount is 12,000, and rate of interest is 5 5. Fine. Then time 2, and this is simple interest of this principal amount. Okay, 120.07. So thanks for watching. We will meet in our upcoming video of Java 500 questions series. Okay, so thanks for watching.